Alright, this is the unboxing part 2 of the second item I got. Kind of annoying to do with one hand, but it's straight. So they're both two of the same thing, and as you can see, some mounting hardware and some harnesses. They're a generic brand because I really didn't care at the beginning. Camera's kind of off, but I'm just hoping that it's long enough to kind of like ghetto rig them how I want, because it'll be a little bit annoying if I can't, but they seem like they're long enough. Yeah, that seems like I'm all off, but yeah, it seems long enough. So let's hope for the best. And in a day or two, when the weather is not as bad, it's cold and snowy outside, so I'm gonna try to get these things mounted, or else I'm gonna have to DIY like a harness bar. But yeah, that was just a quick unboxing video and another 1080p 60 frame per second test.